day 29.
Day 29.
And it's a beautiful day. Well, we Wim Hofed, we did our exercises, and my sweet Babel made the most beautiful breakfast. Vegan eggs and bacon. Tofu scramble. Delicious. And benevolent bacon. Oh my gosh, if you haven't tried benevolent bacon, give it a shot. Finishing some edits, just about to upload. Got the crazy hair. But you know what?
Feeling great.
Feeling good. Like I should.
Made in
Took a walk around the neighborhood. Suiting up.
Dude, look. Getting ready to cut some fiberglass. Hey. So the reason I'm cutting fiberglass is the only way our tub will fit through the front door is by cutting fiberglass.
We're ready. She looks so much different without the panels on. It's crazy. And we are really wanting to patch all this stuff up so she doesn't get any water damage, because for some reason early this morning, it was not in the forecast or anything, but it was misting so hard over here in Dana Point that it was kind of like raining, and we're like, well, of course the day that we like take the ceiling off. But anyways, we're gonna patch her up today. It's gonna be great, gonna be dandy. We're ready to go.
Finished cutting the tub, got all the clothes off that had the fiberglass on it. There's some fiberglass powder that came off, just normal cutting fiberglass. But we have our yoga trapeze, so now I'm pressing the spine. Super cool. This thing is awesome. You just hang upside down. This rock, stretch.
So good. Red balance yoga. Okay, so we're ready to go to the down pretty much. We have fabricated the inside of this with sheets and some towels to sit on because there's wood chips and fiberglass everywhere from cutting the tub. So we're trying to protect ourselves, and hopefully we do. All right, now we're ready.
Our ride right now, we're trying to protect ourselves from the fiberglass we cut this morning. We cut our tub so we could take it out and unload it.
This is a crazy drive right now.
I lost her in the check.
because there's fiberglass in the air from cutting the tub. So stay safe, kids. Eye protection, mouth protection. Stay safe out there. We're gonna clean all the rust away with this. We got some platinum patch for
Those small screw holes in the side of the aluminum.
the aluminum patches. We've got fiberglass so that we can fiberglass the outside, and razors and gloves and resin, brush, snooper, partner, and then
Body
some
filler.
body filler so that it looks all nice when we're done.
Fill it in the body.
Sand it all down, make it look pretty. So yeah.
When you're done.
One more stop at Canal Lumber to make sure that we have the wood to back up the pipe. Got it before they close. Yay! We took a shower, made ourselves a cocktail for lots of progress, made ourselves some vegan sushi, working a little bit, and we're gonna
Enjoy
take the night off because we feel like it's healthy to prioritize when you feel like you've done a good job and you can be satisfied with your work for the day, and also when not to push yourself too hard. We got a 30-day thing going on, a challenge, and we've been doing demo and stuff long before these 30 days. So we're gonna take the night off and we're gonna chill out, you know, research some stuff, and we're ready for tomorrow. We got all of our supplies ready to go. So we're gonna rest up and go at it hard tomorrow.